studies. Last class we are discussing the IPC nomenclature of some important class of organic compound. Already we have completed up to ester. Today we will discuss remaining IPC nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay. So ester completed, then we will start that acid anhydride. Acid anhydride general formula is RCO. This is the general formula of acid anhydride. And acid anhydride is also called as alkanoic anhydride. Same. Its name is alkanoic anhydride. For example, it is derived from acid. So here R is equal to R or R equal to H. Both is possible. So same HCO whole to O. This is formic anhydride. Formic anhydride. R is derived from acids, so it is called what? Formic anhydride. Another name is methanoic anhydride. Methanoic anhydride. So it can be written like this. Okay. Then CH3 CO whole to O. This is called acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. And this is, as it has 2 carbon, parent acid is acetic acid. It is methanoic anhydride. Like this. So like this, these are the name of acid anhydride. Then acid halide. Acid halide that is formula RCOX, and its name is alkanoil halide. Alkanoil halide. So it is also called alkanoil halide. Name is, for example, as derived from acid, R may be here, R may be R or R may be H. Same rule. So name will be HCO. Let it be COCl. HCH3 CO Br, like this. What is the name? As is derived from formic acid, it is formyl chloride. Okay. And this is acetic acid, acetyl chloride. And formic acid, formyl chloride, it is methanoil, because it is called alkanoil halide. So methanoil, MOIL, methanoil chloride. Here, this one, acetic acid means 2 carbon, ethanoil, and is bromide. So like this, it depends upon the name of acid, from which acid it is derived. The name will be like this. If 3 carbon, propanoil anhydride, propanoil chloride, like this. It depends upon the parent acid. So acid halide. Then acid amide. Acid amide is RCONH2. This is amide group. And name is also called as, alkanamide. Same, like this. So the IPC name is very important. What is the actually it is called? Alkanamide. Then same here, R may be R or R may be H, like acid. So HCONH2, it is called formamide. It is also called methanamide. as per the IUPAC name. It is IUPAC name. And if you write CH3CO NH2, as it is acetic acid, acetamide, and adds 2 carbon, ethanamide. So it depends upon the number of carbon atom present in the formula. So Mr. completed in previous class anhydride, acid halide, amide. Okay. So these are the some important acid derivative and their common name and IUPAC name. The next class is nitrile. Nitrile means this RCN. This is called RCN. It is also called as alkane nitrile. Alkane nitrile. It is called as alkane nitrile. For example, suppose CH3CN. Common name is, already I have told you that it is visible. Same name, methyl cyanide. Then IUPAC name is, what is the IUPAC name? As it is 2 carbon, 1, 2, so ethane nitrile, like this, alkane nitrile. 2 carbon, 1, 2, that's the ethane nitrile. For example, CH3, CH2CN, it is called as ethyl cyanide. Ethyl cyanide. And as there 1, 2, 3 carbon, propane nitrile. It is called propane nitrile. So like this. So these are some common name and IUPAC name. Then isonitrile. Isonitrile general formula is RMC. It is also called as carbylamine. Alkyl carbylamine. It is also called as alkyl carbylamine. Alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl carbylamine, alkyl isocyanide also called as. Examples, same, CH3MC. It is called methyl, common name, methyl isocyanide. Okay, but it has no IUPAC name, same name, common name is same for all. Methyl isocyanide and methyl isocyanide is also called methyl carbylamine. So isonitrile is also called as carbylamine. So like this you will practice. So this is about nitrile and isonitrile. Then amines. Amines already we discussed that what is that? Amines are the alkyl derivative of ammonia. Suppose if you take here, I am writing ammonia. If you substitute 1 R, remove 1 hydrogen, this is RNH2. This is called primary amine. If you substitute 2R and remove 2H, this will be secondary amine. Then if you substitute 3R and remove 3H, it will be tertiary amine. So amines are 3 types: primary, secondary and tertiary. And normally, and this is called alkana amine. And this is called N-alkyl alkana amine. And this is called N-dialkyl alkana amine. Here alkana amine is last. In the suffix it will be alkana amine. So for examples, if you write CH3NH2. This is your primary amine. This is called methylamine. Methylamine is common name, but IUPAC name is methanamine. 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 Like this. If you take secondary amine, O2NH, name is dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. But here, as is 2 methyl attached to N, so one will be considered, other will be alkanamine. Out of 2 methyl, one will be N-methyl. N-methyl. Then remaining 1 methyl is methanamine. Methanamine. Like this. So, if you take tertiary, then it is trimethyl amine. But here as trialkyl group is there, 3 alkyl group is there. That's why one will be NN dimethyl, N same similar group, so dimethyl, NN dimethyl methanamine. Methanamine. It will be like this. So that N alkyl will be smaller. N alkyl, that is smaller group. Smaller one, not your bigger one. N alkyl always smaller. If one methyl, one ethyl is there, then always you select N methyl. Then ethyl will be ethanamine, alkanamine. So the nomenclature depends upon the group or alkyl group attached to nitrogen. Always you follow the smaller group first. N alkyl is smaller group, then remaining will be alkanamine. Always amine will be derivative of alkanamine. Okay, these are about amines. Then regarding ether, that is general formula ROR. It is also called as alkoxyalkane. It is called as alkoxyalkane. Or it is called alkoxyalkane. For example, and this alkos is the smaller group. This is the smaller. Very important. Which will be smaller? For example, CH3O C2H5. Here the name will be, this is a smaller group, this is your smaller group, so methoxy, then remaining 2 carbon, so ethane, methoxyethane, like this. If it, and common name will be methyl ethyl ether. Common name is, already I have told you, common name means that groups are visible. Same name will be repeated. Methyl ethyl ether, like this. That is common name. And suppose C2H5O CH3 C2H5, same. Here same group will be same. Any one is left. Ethoxy remaining 2 carbon ethane. So this is about what? Ether nomenclature. So nomenclature of ether, nomenclature of amines, nitriles, acid derivative. Okay. Remaining that nitroalkane. We can take another one. Nitroalkane. Nitroalkane general formula is RNO2. Name is same. There is no change. Same and nitroalkane. For example, if you write CH3NO2, name is nitromethane because 1 carbon is here. Or is here 1 carbon, nitromethane, nitroethane. C2H5NO2 it is called nitroethane. So like this. So these are some important nitroalkane nomenclature. Amines, 3 type of amines nomenclature: alkanamine, N-alkyl alkanamine, N dialkylamine. That N-alkyl will be smaller one, like your alkoxy. Smaller group will be repeated first. Then the larger group will be alkane. So these are some important nomenclature of what? Different class of organic compounds. We practice, we will discuss the detailed nomenclature and its rules in the next class. Okay? Thank you all.